guys, welcome back to our kitchen. Today I need to show you how to make Lechon Paksiw. Lechon Paksiw is made of roasted pork in the oven or roasted pig. So I'll show you the ingredients to make a Lechon Paksiw. So this is roasted pork in the oven that I make on New Year. We did not finish, so I put in the freezer. And now I need to make a Lechon Paksiw. I cut this already in 2 pieces. So this is the size for the meat, that this one, that, and this. So that is the meat that we need to make Lechon Paksiw. And the other ingredients is, mostly I use the Filipino vinegar, but I did not find no more in the store. So I was getting the organic apple cider vinegar, but I used this before, but I like it. So this is what I need to use today. And the other one is special soy sauce. This is made of in the Philippines. And the black pepper. Onions, garlic, and the bay leaves, this one here. And sugar. I use brown sugar, but if you have like white sugar, you can use that. And the black peppercorns. And water. So that's all the ingredients for the Lechon Paksiw that I use. Okay guys, I will prepare the onions and the garlic for our Lechon Paksiw. So what I'm doing is I'm just cutting like a little bit bigger, a little like 4 or something. It's not very tiny because when you are boiling the Lechon Paksiw, you're getting softer the seasoning and the onions and the garlic. So that's okay. The slice is not too small. So that's the size that hopefully you guys can see. So that's the size of my garlic, and that's it. It's hot already, so we need to put the oil. I use the vegetable oil. Just use 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoon of oil. And oh, that's too high. So we need to start the onion. So start the onion first. And next is the garlic. Food in the house. The next is the pork. Roasted pork. Oh. And you can put the sauce for that. It's giving like very taste good. So you need to put all this sauce. So I put that when I'm cooking. I put all of the sauce for the roasted pork. So it gives the taste. It gives the taste. So that's it. The vinegar. Need to put the vinegar is 1/4 cup. If you want to be more sour, you can add more. One half. It depends. You just calculate what you like for sour or something. But I don't like too much sour, so I just put my 1/4. Little black pepper. Peppercorn. Just put a little bit in there. And the bay leaves. I put like 6 pieces of bay leaves. 6. So that's it. And water. I put 1 cup of water to steamer. So that's it. You need to mix a little bit. And then you need to be higher the fire again. So let's steam that until it's thicker. The sauce is thicker, and then I just steam this 15 minutes, and that's it. Okay, let's check the Lechon Paksiw. What happened? Mix a little bit. Oops. Mix it. Okay. Yeah. Just 3 minutes and then it's done. So the sauce is getting thicker, so that's it. Just 3 minutes. Okay guys, the time is done, so the cooking is done. So off the fire. This is the Lechon Paksiw that we are cooking earlier, and this is ready to serve. If you have any comments, please comment below, and I hope you like and subscribe.
I won't make it easy for you now.